Okay, you'll see that I've already paid myself first. I'm setting aside $250 a month. The next thing I need to do is I have to find a place to live. So I have about $3,000 left to spend, but I can't spend all that on housing. I've got all these other categories I need to account for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the sheet that Mr. Young gave us. I'm not going to look at rent because I actually want to buy property. I'm going to ownership. And the website that I'll be using today is actually Trulia. You can use any of the three, but I'm just going to use Trulia for the example. So the city I want to live in is Atlanta, Georgia. So I'm going to type my city name in. It's going to show me tons of properties. Oh, what a nice house. Minimum price. You can see from the sheet that I gave you, the minimum should be about 100,000 and the max you should spend is about 550. So I'm going to go 150,000 because I want a nicer home, up to about 350,000 because I'm a teacher. I don't make a whole lot of money. Just want to get enough. Let me set my beds at least 2 because I know I'll be married and I plan on having children, so I want to have space. You can apply more filters to determine the type of property type. So again, if you want an apartment versus a home, you can change it, or a townhouse versus a house. I'm just going to put it on all because I want to see what's available to me. So, scrolling down, I've already identified a house that I really like. It's this one right here. You can see that the price of the house is $275,000. You may remember me telling you, you don't buy the house all at once. Instead, what you do is you get a big loan called a mortgage. So this is actually the amount we need right here. The estimated mortgage is $1,320 a month. So I'm going to go to my budget, type in 1,320, and now I need to include a link that shows where I actually found this information. So I'm going to go back here to the top, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste that link in. That makes sure that I'm able to easily go back to it if something happens or if I decide to get some additional information. The next step requires you to actually put an image of your house inside your slideshow. Let me show you how. Okay, I've got some images of the house pulled up and they look great. Now, traditionally you can just right-click, copy, or save as. In this case, it does not allow us to save as a picture, so we had to do something a little more creative. We're going to be using a button on our keyboard called print screen. This is what the print screen key looks like, okay? So I'm going to press the print screen key, and it's going to take a screenshot of my entire screen. I'm going to go to my slideshow where it says housing, and I'm going to paste it. When I paste, it's pasted the entire screen as I said, but I want to crop just so I get the image of the apartment, or the house in this case. Make sure you use those black arrows. And now I've got one image of my house. Remember, I want you to use at least 2 images of your house. Guys, I hope you have a great day.